Can you install Google Gemini on your PC or laptop? This tutorial will show you the fastest and easiest method. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Now, go to Google and search for Google Gemini. From the search results, open the official website called gemini.google.com. Once the website opens, you might notice there's no direct download button for the Gemini app, but you can still install it as a desktop application using Chrome. Now, click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. After that, select Cast, Save, and Share. Then, click on Install Pages app. On some versions of Chrome, you may see Create Shortcut instead. Now, click Install. That's it. Google Gemini will now open like a normal desktop app on your Windows laptop or PC. You'll also see the Gemini app icon on your desktop or in the Start menu, so you can quickly access it anytime without opening the browser. And that's how to download and install Google Gemini on PC or laptop easily.